Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and today I'm here to discuss 29th August exam review. So in this session I'm going to discuss the questions of writing task 1 as well as writing task 2. Along with this I'll be explaining the listening and reading module. How did the listening and reading go? What type of questions were there? Was it difficult or easy, lengthy or short? So all these things will be discussed in detail. So just watch the video until the end and you will definitely get some knowledge through this video. You'll actually get to know the pattern or the types of questions in these days. So during these days, what type of questions are coming? I have already prepared one video for 22nd August exam review. So just go through this one as well and I'm sure you'll like this one too. So guys, firstly we'll discuss about reading and listening module. As far as reading is concerned, basically in reading module, students face this difficulty of length. So students thought the reading section was lengthy as section 3 of GT module, which is the longest passage in the same module, it was very lengthy. It was actually quite lengthy and students faced difficulty in finishing it on time. Because of its length, students faced difficulty in the types of question as well. They actually thought the question paper was difficult, section 3 was difficult, but actually it was just about the length. So the problem was length. This time even the passages in section 1 and section 2 were also lengthy. So overall, reading exam, various questions were there, fill ups, true false not given, all these questions were there. However, the problem was not with the question, the problem was with the length. Students found it lengthy. So this was the problem. Now we are going to discuss the listening module. Listening as compared to reading was quite easy. This time students thought the listening was easy because there were no matchups. There were no matchups at all. However, MCQs, however, multiple choice questions and fill-ups were there. So were matchups, basically the questions related to matchups were not there. So this was a relief. This was actually a relaxation for the students because most of the students face problem in multiple choice questions and matchups. But this time only MCQs and fill-ups were there and along with other questions, but matchups were not there. So it was easy. It was actually easy in comparison to reading module. However, in the writing one, this is the question for writing task 2. It was a simple question. Basically, a general question. So it was asked in writing task 2. The question was, some people believe that rewarding cash to children for household work is good. So the major keyword here is some believe rewarding cash children household work is good. Others believe vice versa. So try to understand. Some believe that rewarding cash to children for household work is good. So giving, like let's say we are asking our children or you are being asked to do some household chore and for that you are getting paid. Is it a good thing or is it bad? So some believe it is a good thing. Others believe vice versa. They think it is not good. It spoils the children. So the main context of the question is this. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Whenever we have a question like such, we always mention our opinion in introduction as well as in conclusion. So we mention our opinion in introduction as well as in conclusion. However, we are going to discuss the first view. Some people view in body paragraph 1 and others people view in body paragraph 2. We should have a question for the same. For body paragraph 1, why some believe giving cash for household work, giving cash to children for household work is good. Why it is good? You have to give reasons in first body paragraph with one example. Others believe it is not good, it spoils the children. Why it spoils the children or why it is not good? You have to answer this point in second body paragraph. You have to write only 100 to 110 words in every body paragraph. So firstly, in first body paragraph, you'll just have to start with outlining the reason. Why is it good? As they'll be encouraged to do more tasks as well. So now you have to explain the reason in detail. Why? How? And then you'll be giving one example. Same is in second body paragraph. Here the question is others believe vice versa. Others believe vice versa. Okay, so you are going to answer others believe vice versa. You'll say how does it spoil children and why is it not good or why is it bad? As children become instigating, okay, or they try to demand more, they become more demanding, they do not do any work as a duty, they just feel the need of getting paid. So you can explain it in detail, and as far as your opinion is concerned, you can say rather than paying them for every household chore, we should give them pocket money on a monthly basis, and we should realize them their duties towards home as well. So guys, we can actually explain this answer like such. It is a very easy question. It can be explained easily in 290, 300, 300 plus words. So this was the writing task 2. Now we'll proceed to writing task 1. It was a you visit a local swimming pool regularly. Okay, so you basically are a member of local swimming pool or you visit that pool regularly. You noticed a problem in the same area. So when you go to the swimming pool, you are noticing a problem. So simple. Local swimming pool regularly, visit, noticed problem, same area. Write a letter to the manager about the problem. So now you are going to write a letter to the manager about the problem. So now what exactly about the problem you are going to write a letter, and how? Try to understand this thing now. So when you are writing the letter to the manager, it can be a problem related to the crowd, the number of people, or there is quite rush in the 6 to 7 p.m. as it's the peak time. So you should limit the number of people in the swimming pool as it is not helpful, or as it is harmful for the health of the people coming there. So you can explain a problem like such. The problem is related to the number of people, or the problem is related to the crowd. So you are going to discuss the problem, then you are going to say how can it be solved. You can actually talk about some other experience with the same organization. You can be thankful for them to them for whatever they have given to you. So you can explain. You need to prepare 3 bullet points. I have a question here. There are no bullet points here. You just need to go through the question. So it is basically a formal letter. You visit a local swimming pool regularly, you noticed a problem. Write a letter to the manager. Let's say you are meeting the manager on a daily basis, then it will be a semi-formal letter. But as I always mention, never take it as a formal or semi-formal letter, because in the language of both the letters, the tone in formal and semi-formal is quite similar. So do not get confused. Just write the letter. If you do not know the name of the manager, if you know the name of the manager, just give the regards like such. If you do not know the name, you are going to write it like such. So it's like if you know the name, you will write yours sincerely. If you do not know the name, you will write yours faithfully at the end. So guys, this is all about 29th August exam review. I hope this was useful for you, and if it was, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching it. I'll be coming with some new videos shortly. Bye bye.